Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to restore a file in OneDrive. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your web browser and head to onedrive.com. Once you're on the page, go ahead and sign into your Microsoft account. This will give you access to all your stored files and the recovery features you need to restore any deleted content. After signing in, wait a moment while the login process completes. You'll then be directed to your OneDrive dashboard, which is the main hub where you can view and manage all your files and folders. This is where you'll begin the restoration process. Now, to restore a file in OneDrive, direct your attention to the left side menu of your dashboard. Here you'll find several navigation options that help you organize and manage your content. Look for the option labeled Recycle Bin and click on it. This is where OneDrive temporarily stores all your deleted files before they're permanently removed, giving you a chance to recover anything you might have accidentally deleted. Once you're in the recycle bin, you'll see a complete list of all your deleted files. These files are organized by name and date, making it easier to locate the specific item you want to restore. Browse through the list and find the file you wish to recover. When you've located it, click on the check mark next to the file name to select it. You can select multiple files at once if needed, but for now, just select the one you want to restore. With your file selected, look toward the top part of the recycle bin interface. You'll notice an action menu that appears once you've selected a file. This menu contains several options for managing your deleted content. From this menu, locate and click on the Restore option. This action tells OneDrive to move the file back to its original location. After clicking Restore, the file will automatically be moved back to its original directory where it was stored before deletion. The process happens almost instantly, and your file will reappear in the same folder it was in before you deleted it. You don't need to manually navigate to any specific folder because OneDrive remembers where each file belongs and places it back exactly where it came from. And that's it. You've successfully restored your deleted file in OneDrive, bringing it back to its original location without any hassle. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.